Okay, so let's have a quick look at the multiplication algorithm without using a calculator. So let's put a title. Okay, so let's have a look at let's do 23 multiplied by 25. Now, I hope you recognize that we've got a 10 and we've got a unit, and we've got a 10 and a unit. So let's use the column multiplication algorithm. So we line the tens and units up into columns. So we've got 2 tens and we've got 3 units. We've got 2 tens and we've got 5 units. Okay, so we put the sign down. Let's... Okay, so we've got 3 5s, 15. And I like to carry down below. 3 5s are 15. And we've got 2 5s are 10, plus the 1 is 11. So what I've done is I have multiplied the 5 by the 3 to get 15, and the 5 to the 2 to get 10, and I've added 1 to get 11. Okay, so now this is really important. I'm now multiplying a 10. So we've shifted over into the tens column. We are no longer in the units column. So 20 times 30, 20 times 3 is 60. So we can just represent this here. 6 in the tens column means 6 tens, which is 60. And then we've got 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, so let's add those up. 5, 7, 5. Okay, so there's a slightly different way. If you're not happy with the column multiplication algorithm, we can use the grid method. Okay, so let's partition our numbers up into tens and units. So we have 20 and 3 and 20 and 5. So all we've done there is we've broken up our numbers into tens and units, and it's called the grid method because we use grids. Okay, we are multiplying. So we've got 20 and 3. This is our 23. And we've got 20 and 5. So let's do our solution in green. So 2 2s are 4, and we can add 2 zeros. 2 times 5 is 10, and we can add a 0. 2 3s are 6, and we need to add a 0. And 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, so we now need to add up everything that we've multiplied, which is here, 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 and here. Okay, so we are going to use, let's do this in yellow. We are going to use the addition algorithm. Okay, so we've got 400 plus 100 plus 60 plus 15. Now, if you notice, we have got 100, tens, and units column. Okay, so if we add up all the units, we've got 5. If we add up all the tens, we've got 7. And if we add up all the hundreds, we have 5. And if you notice, they are the same. Okay, so I'm going to give you a question to do yourself. See if you can multiply these two numbers using both methods. I think it's really important to understand different methods. So let's do 27 multiplied by 26. So pause the video, and I would like you to do the grid method for multiplication and the column algorithm for multiplication. Okay, so hopefully you've done that now. So let's have a quick look. We can partition this into tens and units. So we've got 20 and 7, 2 tens and 7 units. Got 20 and 6. Okay, so let's do our so we've got 20 and 7, we've got 20 and 6, while 2 2s are 4, 2 zeros, 2 7s are 14, we've got 1 0, 2 6s are 12, we add a 0, and 6 7s are 42. Okay, so we need to use our addition algorithm. So we got hundreds, tens, and units. So we're adding up these products. So we've got 400, 140, 42, and 120. It's really important that we put the numbers into the correct column. Okay, so we've got 2, we've got 10, so we're going to carry a 0. We've got 4, 5, 6, 7. So 27 multiplied by 26 is 702. So let's do the column algorithm. So we've got 27 multiplied by 26. Let's do 3 lines. 1, 2, 3, and then a final line for the addition. Let's do solution in green. We've got 6 7s are 42. 2 6s are 12, plus the 4 is 16. And if you notice, we keep them in the correct column. Units, tens, hundreds. Okay, we are now multiplying by a 10. So we need to shift over into the tens column. So 2 7s are 14. We've got 2 2s are 4 plus the 1 is 5. And in the final column, we need to add everything up. So we've got 2. 6 plus 4 is 10. We've got 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so hopefully you're familiar with the multiplication algorithm of the grid methods and column algorithm for multiplication.